off and came home, jumped straight in the patrol without wasting a second. We've got about 3 hours left according to the HEMA. We're heading up to Lucola. Got a fair bit of blacktop in front of us now, so we're going to punch out a few Ks and see us when we get up there.
Play something country.
We're just rolling over the bridge into Lucola now. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon, so quick stop off at Lucola for a bit of a look around. Swap over to off-road maps now and we'll see who's up there. Just pulled into camp at Currawong camping area here along the, I think it's the Wellington River. And this is a cracking campsite. I'll get out and give us a quick look around and then I'm going to sit back and have a beer. We've had a few people now asking me about this setup, so I'll give you the express tour because I'm a big fan to get this fire going and have a frothy. So, run the ARB cargo gear bags. They're awesome for packing all your food in, just stopping stuff from rolling around in the drawers. So, bog roll, can't go anywhere without bog roll. Top drawer house is just all our camera gear, drone, all that sort of stuff. They don't fall closed. That cord's just temporary for the moment. Tape. I use it anyway, but it's plenty sturdy without it. Really quick for cooking, what you need out of the fridge. That's what our setup looks like. Right, best and worst things. Probably in particular the Alucab. We used to have an Adventure King fold over style rooftop tent and it was great. For the money it was, you can't beat them. $400 or $500 or whatever they're going for at the moment. Can't fold them shut with your beddings. I don't care who tells you you can, unless you sleep with a tea towel for a blanket. Can't shut them. We can just shut them with our summer sleeping bags, which are pretty thin. You know, the Velcro is almost letting go. Jump on a swear and adds a hell of a mess. Sleeping bags for winter, forget it. You try and shut up with those and it just ends up looking like a half shut leather purse. So that's probably the biggest positive with the Alucab. We can leave -10 winter sleeping bags in there plus an extra blanket. In summer it shuts like a dream. For the entirety of the setup, our main focus was setup and pack up time, which is why we've gone for these particular products. When you're on the road for weeks at a time, it makes a massive difference. That's one of the things we learned in Tasmania. You know, we had so many little bits and pieces when we come to set up camp. It was frustrating doing it day in, day out. You're always on the move. Just takes the fun out of it. I think we're doing pretty well with setup and pack up time. If I had to pick on one thing, Alucab awning, it's got a rain pitch on one of the arms. It does tend to pull water at the rear. The push and it rolls off, it's all good. You know, I think 1, 2, 3 arms on it, chuck a rain pitch in all of them, problem solved. As for lighting, 50-inch steady curved light bar across the front of the Alucab, 2 steady Type X bodies, just waiting for the front bar to come from overseas so that I can mount them up. It should be pretty lethal. Suspension and tyres are currently stock, but I've got a Raslar rear bar being made at the moment. Once that's done, we'll look at doing a 2-inch lift and 35-inch tyres, probably some new rims. Well, doesn't that look great? Absolute wankers. How hard was that? Alright guys, that just about wraps it up for this trip. Unfortunately it was cut a little bit short with that track being closed, but we still got to say cracking campsite. I'm going to head back to the office now and wrap my eyelids around the computer to get this video out to you guys to see. Catch us on the next camp.